Morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're back. It's Wednesday, baby. September 28th. We are here. We're ready. We're rolling. I hate that doesn't pop up. Maybe I need to move it like right there. I added the chat to the side. Wait, here. Yeah, I don't know why it looks like that. I need to make it smaller. How you guys doing this morning? Good morning. There we go. What's up, Boba? Scott B, AC, Discipline, Mike. Another beautiful morning here in North Florida. Yeah, it's getting close to you. Good luck to everybody in Florida and wherever that hits. Bro, it's happening. What's happening? Oh my God. Wow, that shows how awake I am. Let's get some music rolling. Wait, are you still dreaming or what?
GRNA.
You think it's happening today? You're drinking. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, market's at 362-ish right now. I don't know what ABO says. What is that? ABOS is their top gainer, up 82%.
CGC.
Alzheimer theme. Is that what ABOS is? Oh, LGBN's finally up as well. What's up, Mick?
GFI.
Okay. Did ABOS have news for Alzheimer? No. So what's our lead dog? Saba? Oh, BIB. Okay. Okay. Gotcha. So it had news overnight, it looks like. Up 48%. Gapped up from 200 to as high as 340. Yeah, so here is BIB. What's up, Florida? Boba? Not Boba. Booch? Good morning. Already said hi to Boba. So let's see. BIB. Yeah, I wonder why it didn't get any action. Was it halted yesterday? Like, it literally didn't gap up until this morning. Hey, Jordan, good morning. I hope today's a great day. I hope today is a great day. Phase 3 met primary endpoint, showing highly statistically significant reduction of clinical decline in large global clinical study. That's huge. We finally got something. Oh, halted last night. Okay, gotcha. So halted last night and opened this morning at 4:30. Interesting time to unhalt it, but okay. 4:30 a.m. Congrats to anybody swinging that. It was actually way down. I mean, with everything else, but way down over the past little bit. Now we're all the way up to right here. So it's at the price it was in September of last year with a positive phase 3. Let me go turn my fan on. What? So that's pushing 300 right now. Silo bouncy IPO from yesterday. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah, it's doing something here. It's getting a little action this morning. I don't think I've ever even heard of ABOS. I always thought it was like LGBN, ACIU, a couple of the others. ABOS, I really don't remember. Hey, Snacks, what's up, buddy? How you doing? So ABOS gapped up. So these started actually gapping up when BIIB halted. Okay, so they're gonna offer soon. Cool. Makes sense. It's a little dark in here. So they will offer soon, more than likely. Okay. Okay, ABOS is new overall. Gotcha. Yeah, it IPO'd after the runs from last year. Oh yeah, ALTN too. Forgot about that one. Yep. So, as you guys know, we can go here and type in Alzheimer. Hit search. 47 companies. And then you can go like price under 20. Nope. Price under 20. And we got a list of, let's see, a lot of them. I'm gonna pull it back to under 10. So here is under 10 stocks that have Alzheimer in their company profile. You can even sort by float. TWBR is the lowest. SPRC, LGBN, BIVI, NRSN. But just because they mention it doesn't mean that they do exactly what BIIB does. Let's see exactly what they do here. Therapies. So they're a drug manufacturer. Man, they do a lot of stuff. Multiple sclerosis, muscular atrophy, plaque psoriasis. I can see why they're so expensive. So there's the one that just got phase 3 completed. Cambridge, Mass. So all of these are probably really trashy ones, but they can get going. I hope we get a theme going. That'd be great. Give us something. But here's ABOS. So 34 million float. Average volume 57K. So that's a big reason as well. Doesn't matter as much that it's a little bit thicker when you have an average volume of 57K. So they have a drug for Parkinson's and Alzheimer. I remember a few of these running in the past. I always personally liked the LGBN the best. Surprised Sava didn't move up a little bit. Isn't Sava Alzheimer? Yeah. I mean, I guess they're already like way up over the past little bit. I mean, it's up 7%. It's not terrible. Yeah, I see right here. It went up a little bit. Oh, okay, so this was yesterday. This was yesterday as soon as Sava halted. So did Sava news come out like immediately after it halted? Is that why these things started running? Or not Sava, but BIIB news. Looks like it did. So the news came out at actually 7:30. And they halted it. Interesting. That's weird. They wouldn't want it to be open at 7:30 at night, but they wanted it to be open at 4:30 in the morning. That's kind of weird.
GFI.
All right, so maybe we'll get a thin cash today. So logically, this looks like the breakout zone, but you know how things been acting. When it looks the best, it's more than likely the tippity top. Excuse me. Does PRCA have anything to do with that too? Or no?
BYGG.
I'm guessing it does because it gapped up at the same exact time.
SJ.
60%. Knowing this year though, this is it. Like this is it for that. This is it for this. And nothing's ever going to make 1 cent higher after 8 a.m. But I mean, BIB is actually pushing up. So maybe I'll put this up at the bottom today instead of SPY. Maybe we'll go through one day that we won't have to stare at SPY all day. Yeah, I had a kind of a weak low yesterday. Is that what you call a poor low on the daily? Still went to lows, but it didn't like fall the bottom out, you know, it didn't completely crash. Let's see, are they actually gonna send this? Nope. Fix it today, then BOE, so they're gonna buy bonds. Okay, sweet. We'll see. As soon as it breaks through 9, they throw up like a 3K ask at 903. And now there's a 3K ask at 9.
BIAF. AUY, GDXU. EQ.
Couldn't get through 9, went as high as 905. Straight smack. MIND. Is that one? That would make sense to be one. No. It had news though. High speed multi-beam scan sonar system. That's a freaking mouthful. Oh, there's some volume all of a sudden. But look at the bid. The bid is empty. So if they wanted to wash this all the way back down, they could wash it down easy. Guess not. Guess it's go time. So everything has to do that rejection, you know, look like it's breaking the trend type move down just to move higher. Everything. Okay, this is pushing through now. Actually, pre-market high coming up right here and through. Out of nowhere. Wow, man. So they turned the volume on at 8:22. Just as expected, right? The old 8:22 a.m. volume spike. Like, none of the others really got a whole lot out of that. PRTA is through 50 though. You know these are all probably in like the same batch. Well, that stinks. Really wanted to scalp a couple thousand of that.
OILD.
LGBN's got a bid prop this morning. Somewhat decent action though today so far.
OCGN AG. GFI.
So everything's trying to push a high here. PRTA 5065. BIB's kind of flagging a little bit over 300. ABO's high of day. LGVN trying to push highs. The ALCN isn't like too bad, Snacks. ABO's just gonna keep pushing through, but man, that stinks. Yeah, BIF had they got money from the exercise of their warrants from the offering, Scott. Yeah, that came out at 8:15 on BIF. So PRTA pushing up now, 51. ABO's 980s. Could have had that at 9. They had to pull that rejection candle though, which kind of made me not so interested. Went up, pushed through, and then had this candle. And then the old 8:22 a.m. Eastern Standard Time volume spike. This almost went to 10, went as high as 993. PRTA still at 51. BIB near 305. I like the action so far today, though, that's for sure. At least we're getting some movement somewhere, you know?
AUY.
And this just shows you, I mean, the volume's still there. The volume is just waiting patiently for something to pounce on. So 8:30 news in about a minute and 10 seconds.
HL.
See if anything fresh comes out.
UMC.
Appreciate you guys hanging out this morning.
SBSW.
Got a interesting morning setting up at least. All right, let's see. 8:30 news.
BIAS.
Hey, Stacy. Good morning. Welcome in. All right, BIV 307 touched. This is projection 10, kind of as expected. NRSN had a little PR about ALS. Yeah, ALS enrollment. Yeah, it's not really a big deal though, enrollment. Yeah, nothing really at 8:30 I see, so this theme should continue to hold up. Beat got another patent, that's what made it run the other day. Signal transformation for vecto electrocardiogram. I don't know if I want to take it all the way up here. Beat's kind of already been running over the past little bit. Guess it's gonna go.
FSM.
It immediately gapped up from 250 to 280. Really don't want to slap it there.
GDXU.
It's
NLS.
QQQ once again top volume leader of the day. It's either TQQQ or SQQQ like every day.
Momo.
There goes Beat. 305. See how a PR reaction is actually a reason for it to go higher, and there's actually tickers that are moving today. So, I mean, if this would have came out a couple days ago even, it may not have went as hard immediately just because nothing else was really running. But since there are gainers this morning and people actually buying stuff, it got a decent little spike there.
Sand.
5 billion pound per auction confirmed by BOE. Sweet. So that'd be good, right?
AG.
Yeah, I hope some others follow.
GFI.
Still flagging over 300 here.
KGC.
That's what we want to hear. Dollar weaker, stock stronger. Okay, these pulling back a little bit now. Down to 50. BIB still flagging up here.
FOXO.
Hey, what's up? Striker. Good morning. Dan.
CYME.
I'd like to see these things break up a little bit higher this morning. But they're all kind of pulling back now.
CDE.
I don't know whether or not to expect a straight up, straight down from ABOS, or if we're actually going to get a bounce from this 9 EMA level on the 5.
DXF.
I guess it all comes down to whether or not the IIB is going to bounce from the 9 EMA here. Somebody just hit 10K of your ALZN. What's next? I got that up on one of my other charts over here on the other screen. This thing's trying to hold 9. Yeah, I don't blame you. That's a little thin for Premarket, but somebody is adding. Okay, they all kind of wick down. The IIB is trying its best to hold 300 here, it looks like. Market is green on the day, 363.87 right now.
HL.
tweeted this yesterday, but
NRSM,
TrendSpider gave us a
KPRX.
nice promo code to continue, the sale from over the weekend. You should use code MTA40 for 40% off up to 12 months. Throughout the rest of the week. So this lasts throughout. So they said this week. So I don't know if that means like Sunday or through Friday, but they messaged me and said, here's something for you guys to extend the sale just in case somebody missed it. See if that works. Yeah. So I'm going to leave that one. Yeah, so usually I have a 25% off code. But they're giving us 40% off and being able to lock that in for one whole year, that price. So very similar to the sale, not as good as the sale, but very similar to the sale from over the weekend. That was 50% off, locked that in for 2 years, but they gave us an extension, 40% off, locked it in for 1 year. They have futures data now. They got the raindrop charts. They got volume profile, scanners, whatever you need. Nothing really trying to push higher at this very moment. ABOS has pushed down under 9 here, under the 9 EMA like it didn't even exist. Maybe we'll come down to either a 75 level or the 20 and VWAP 850.
NCLH. OILD. Gold.
All right, everything's kind of pulling back here. BIB closed under 300 here. PRTA under 50. Oh yeah, I forgot about OpenBB. You were talking about that.
Oh.
PRTA's got a friggin' 50-cent spread right now.
XFOR. EDC.
Yeah, it seemed very complicated to me too, Steve, when I pulled it up.
TAR. SBSW real.
LGBN trying to hold 5. Zcan announces record revenue of 42.89 million, an increase of 1.71%. So not a huge increase, but it was their record revenue.
PR.
All right, these Alzheimer plays really aren't bouncing that well right now. BIB under 300, kind of rejecting back under 300. A little bit of a green hammer here on ABOS, but this is kind of the back to the demand zone here, 875. Let's see if that holds.
SSRM, CPG.
Close enough.
CLVS.
Okay, this is trying to make a leg lower, so that's actually shoving ABOS down. That might have been the spot right there to buy it. They showed it down to 875 on the ask, and everybody bought it up. That may have been the spot, and I completely missed it. BIIB now down to the 20 in VWAP, as well as kind of a demand zone from earlier. This is the lead dog. Market's really liking that news, Broda. And it was kind of delayed too. You told me like 20 minutes ago.
HL.
Finally, somebody had the balls to do something about it instead of just letting us, you know, fall. Janet Yellen said yesterday that she sees nothing wrong with the financial market. Nothing wrong at all. Not even a thing. Yeah. Berkey's got the hookup for you there, Steven. If anybody needs it, it's me.
GFI.
I don't know how to swing a golf club at all. Like, not even remotely. And I will continue to forever blame it on the fact that I broke my collarbone when I was in high school in football. So now one of my arms is slightly shorter than the other. So, you know, that's my whole swing problem. But mainly, I used to play baseball when I was young. So I want to swing it like a baseball bat.
WKHS.
Okay, here's a little bounce on BIB. Yeah, they don't even know what they're talking about. They are saying things to fit their political agenda or and to make their party sound like they're doing something right, whether it be Democrat or Republican.
MNMD.
You know what I'm saying? That news wasn't big, but we're kind of in the theme here, so maybe that's why it's up. 'Cause it just says a... Wait. Oh, I didn't see this part. Positive study results and anticipates a phase 2B ALS enrollment to expand in the US. Okay, so that's better than I thought it was. For NRSN. Broda 2024.
WEBL. We.
This is kind of the bounce zone if it's going to bounce. And there's a lot of ifs in there, but if it's going to bounce, this is the zone. A couple bids popping in here, mid 860s. Need to get back above this guy, 871. I only got 1,000. I may sell out real quick, but we'll see. Come on. Another bid came in. 870 is a big guy, though, to get through. Hey, JD, what's up? Good morning. Yeah, BIB's pulling back now again. Yeah, I'm getting out. This candle right here, I think, is what killed us. We were back over 300 for a second on BIB, and then pulled right back down. Yeah, it's at 296, so BIB very weak right now.
SSRN.
Lane. Very lame. Camp small caps. This still may hold this zone, but I didn't really like the reaction. It immediately got off that BIB red. Yep, there it is. So it had to go, just like always, had to go lower to go higher first. Didn't want to hold that immediate support it tried to put in. BIIB actually still trying to push lower. 293 now, 294. ABOS with the bounce though from the 20 and VWAP. It had that immediate support put in, and they had to, leg it a little bit lower, as per usual. So it was starting to curl right here, hammered up here. Close this candle nice and strong, and then this candle smack down, and then of course the next candle green, just like always.
Hive.
Yeah, this looks very weak right now. I don't know why. Did BIAF really go up that much on that news? That they closed their offering?
Sleep.
Receives an additional 7.7 million from exercising warrants. Okay, cool. Congrats. Why are you up 47% on that? I guess because it was at freaking 52-week lows. So ACIU, is that getting pumped? Just getting bought. Morning. Berkey.
MNMD.
Yeah, BIAF has a low float. Stock market. Well, I had the bottom again. But we gotta go, push those lows every single time I buy support. Had, I think, 1,000 at 867. This is strong right here. PRTA. So as BIIB starts to fade here, the others are starting to push up.
TMF. Tops. PYPD. DTSS.
Ops just had a PR and just reverse split the other day. 412% increase in net income. Getting bought up a little bit. I slapped the tiniest amount of shares ever. Just because it reverse split. If this would have had the headline the other day before it reverse split, I wouldn't have slapped this at all. But this just reverse split and then had a news headline like that. So. This could go to 4 if it really wanted to. I got 150 shares left. Probably take this 50 off too. Right here. It'll give it to me. There we go. Okay, I got 100 shares.
BRMK.
Locked in most. Only took 500 because it was super thin. And I'm just going to ride this out. Hopefully it goes to 4. So I don't want it to go below the low of this candle, which is like 330. So I think I'll mentally stop 330 on this 100 shares. And you know, I mean, it'll go to 329. I'll get out and it'll go to 370 next candle. But I'm gonna play my risk reward the same way I played my risk reward for 6 years. Not gonna change it just because this market pulls nonsense moves. You can go higher or not, Tops. Okay, I'm getting out.
AEHL. GLBS.
Nice little move there. LGBN went under 5. That would have probably been a nice move, or a nice get buy. Do I talk to my stocks? Yeah, I do. Especially when I'm not on stream and people are watching. It's a lot of, come on, baby, let's go, don't stop me out. Sometimes I get aggressive and like say, go bitch. But it is what it is.
VS. Grid. TDUP.
Before I had time to, talk it through, baby it, just come on, babe, let's go, come on, push higher. But now, I mean, if I'm in for more than 10 seconds, I'm risking losing my whole account. So, I don't even have time to talk my way through it now. It's got to be a 10-second scalp or I'm wrecked. PRTA is showing the most overall strength right now in the Alzheimer sector.
SWBLW.
I don't know about this one. I don't know. Kind of wish I'd have gotten LGBN under 5.
WTI. SWN.
Whoa, PRTA's really starting to break loose a little bit here. 52.80 now. Yeah, I like LGBN the most, I think. If it can actually get going.
MNMT.
Okay, we're pulling back just a little bit from highs. BIB trying to hammer up. ABOS is still over the 20.
URG. COSM. BRQS. SOBR.
BIB now has decided to take a leg lower.
PYPD.
So LGBN may give us a better entry as low as 480 or something, because these just look really bad right now.
TMF.
They need to curl back around. All right, since we're slowing down just a little bit, you know, wordle it up.
OILD.
Okay. Yeah, there's no way I'm getting in 3 now.
YOSH.
3 is kind of the spot that I really want to hit. Like, get it real quick in 3. Like, if you get it down here, I mean, whatever. So... could be... SP at the end, USP.
ASTS. GLBS.
Trying to work this out in my head here.
Tile. Tark.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it in 2. I don't even know if the S is even there. I guess the S could be in the second spot. So it would have to be like... oh, that's 2 S's. I thought I had it. That's 2 S's as well, right? Yep.
FTCH. BIAF. HIDS. IAG.
Man.
NGD. Hollow.
Oh my gosh. No way I'm getting this in 3.
OCGN.
I know the S isn't here. I'm just gonna do this. But there is a P and it's not in that spot. So SPU. Spoo. Spug. Spug. Oh, the S isn't at the beginning. The S isn't at the beginning. So what could it be? OP U S. What is this word? EPU. S. Is that a word? No. I am like lost here. No hints. No hints. I got this. Unfortunately, I saw that out of the corner of my eye. So ES.
SBS.
It doesn't have to be E though.
Tops.
So something. Let's just put an E there for now. ESU. E. What?
CLVT.
Gotta be a vowel here if it's an S.
AMTD.
So the ES. Could be USU. What is this word? I'm wasting my time now. Is that what it is? I need to have the chat over there too. Oh my God, freaking New York Times. What a disgusting word. So back to trading. Falling off a cliff, rejected hard, but BIB actually curling up a bit. ALZN popped. It's over 120 now. Usurp.
MGAM.
Yeah, man. ALZN up to 123 now. Guess I should have bought like 117.
NA. BIAF.
So what nonsense zone is ABOS gonna bounce from? What chart do we have to look at? Freaking monthly, the weekly, the 2000 minute. So the weekly chart has eight. The daily chart 825. I miss just looking at regular charts, just the 5 minute, holding patterns instead of having to go back, to what price did this hold in 2016? Like, just trade normally. Maybe it. Oh, nope. Big stack. Did you see that? Push back up, started breaking back through. Huge stack dropped down on it. Wipe 10-cent worth of bids out. And now they're going to try to walk it down. Interesting that shorts are attacking the low. Oh, you started with Burks? Wow. Yeah, I'd still be trying to get USU. See, look at that. It's aggressive down here. Walk and stack, walk and stack, walk and stack.
YCBD. INM.
So this one's going to have disgusting action today. I can already see it. I can already feel it. I already, know it's just going to be absolutely gross. All right, guys, I'm going to go feed the dogs, see the baby, say hi to my wife, and I'll be back in like 5 minutes.
LVR.
Hello, friends. I have returned. Okay, fading lower, fading lower, fading lower. Beautiful into open.
ALZN.
So, you know, they gave us at least an hour of action. It's okay. And to beat it all, my biggest scalp was on freaking tops. Market up to 364.15, so I actually faded back a little bit from the big push earlier. It's funny, PRTA and ABOS have very similar charts. ABOS just had this kind of push through. We missed that. We missed the push to 10, that's for sure. BIIB 285. I still need to figure out something for us to do, like in between the slow times.
AQB. Tile. BIAIAN. HMY.
So Bitcoin pushing up this morning, 19.2-ish. Oh yeah, I got futures data. Forgot. ES
APWC.
pushing up here, near highs.
HLGN.
CL actually pushing up off the bottom as well. CL went way down, as low as 76. We're back almost to 80 now. NASDAQ.
CLEU TMF.
It's cool seeing this clear, you know, volume shelf underneath of these levels. That high volume got bought up and pushed it back up. Very cool to look at.
KGC.
And also you can go to the raindrop charts, and I'm not the best at these, but there's some really cool ways to read these candles. It's got like a first half VWAP and a second half VWAP.
LPSN.
Shows you where the volume's at in the candle. A blue candle usually is like a positive reaction. I'm not entirely sure. I'd have to look deeper into it, but the raindrop charts are really more of a technical look at things within the candle. It's like a super Japanese candle. Futures data and volume profile. Yep, I know, right?
Hurricane Ian is not only expected to make one landfall, but two, and that second landfall is expected along the southeast coast by Friday. This is a storm that has legs. It is far from over, and it is a very dangerous storm. There's a look at the tropical storm warnings and watches now that have been posted along the coast that include Georgia and South Carolina. One of the biggest concerns will be really storm surge, and there's a look at the storm surge potential we are expecting with this storm. And some of the higher amounts, 3 to 5 feet, could be possible. God. Not just that, but we are also going to be looking at heavy rain. So flooding will be a major concern. Now, here's a look at the timing. This storm is expected to move into the Atlantic late Thursday. By Friday, we could be looking at a second landfall Friday evening. That would be the worst of the winds, the storm surge, and the rain lasting Friday evening into Saturday morning. There's a look at the rainfall that is expected through Sunday.
2 to 3. We're still going to get a lot up here. No. Hey, M. Chow. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. But thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. As we're watching the Weather Channel.
AMTD.
Is that AMTD? HKD hitting this morning or something?
CTXR.
So,
AMRS.
let's see. What is this? Ian radar map. Whoa. So it is right at like Tampa right now.
WLDS.
Miami's getting hit hard, but the worst of it is like up near Tampa at this very moment. So it's supposed to hit land and then come back out and then hit land again. That's crazy. That's pretty wild. And look how long this, look at this. What in the world? That line of storms, we're lucky that's not up here. But yeah, coming out, crossing Florida, and then back in. Pretty crazy. All right, we got about 1 minute until the open. Flip over to the intraday. So ABOS trying to hold the 8 level. LGVN trying to hold 475. BIIB trying to hold 28. And PRTA trying to hold 48. So top watches today is going to be the Alzheimer plays. BIAF also had a pretty good move. It's second top gainer right now. I honestly cannot believe it made this move this morning. I mean, it is low float. It is at 52-week lows, but the fact that, you know, they just closed their offering and got extra money from their warrant exercise. Usually that's not something that sends something up 70%. So I guess it just needed a PR to kind of get it moving. The only thing. But we're about to open. Good luck, everybody. Take it nice and slow. As always, we're still in the thick of it. No need to force the Alzheimer sympathies. They'll set themselves up.
QTRX, TIAF, CGTX, NRSN, NRSN, BCEL, DNLI, FYBGR, CCU,
Okay, BIRB lower.
EMX, SGD,
ABOS is probably going to have ugly action, as we mentioned earlier.
EGIO, KLXE, BLPH,
LGVN hit 460.
BKTX,
Okay, a little hammer on ABOS.
ANBS, EURL,
I had a little bit of LGVN, 463,
GFI,
just because it sold off near the pre-market support zone.
AIAL, BIAF, VINC,
PRTA really strong candle out the gate. So yeah, LGVN, come on, bounce a little bit more than that. I'm up 3 cents on it. The PRTA up to 52 near pre-market highs. We'll see if LGVN is trying to follow BIB or PRTA or ABOS or if it does anything. But I got 463, like I said, so I guess I'll pull it up over here now.
KMPH,
Silo, okay, yeah, we'll check it out. PRTA pushing through high of day here, actually.
QTRX,
See if LGVN can get a little bit better hammer. I really like if it would push up, you know, try to test 480. It's not going to, is it? Come on. Guess all I can ask for is being up 3 cents here.
GLBS, PIO,
They're trying to buy it up a little bit, but it's not really getting like great action. It's just getting a little bit. I know it's only 932, but you would like to see it bounce off this support lows a little bit harder than that right at the gate. Yep, I had to sell right before it freaking crashed. Jeez, lucky I got out right there. Oh, we're still right in the thick of it. So now it'll go lower to push through the lows, and it'll hammer up right here, and then have a freaking 933 and 45-second volume spike to send it up to 480. Guaranteed, almost guaranteed. Or it could just crash. We'll see. But in 2022 fashion, it would push through lows, push through the low, put in, wipe all the stops out, wipe me out, and then roll. BIAF still with really nice positive action here. $4. I should have just looked at that one on more. I've legit never seen we received extra proceeds from our warrants PR going up like that. Up 92% on that.
PBFX, APWC, AEHL, FYPR, more, HYW,
BIAF 420, man. Okay, so I gotta look at Silo. Sorry, completely forgot. Hey, Andy. Good morning. Yeah, Silo just IPO'd, right? Just recently. Very, very spready. Oh my good lord, where's the bids at? What? Oh, it's not showing me bids. Something's wrong with this on TradeStation. It's not even pulling up my level 2. So I won't be playing that, but good luck. For some reason, I don't even have a level 2 on it. ABOS. Ooh, little 2022 candle, baby. You love to see it. You really do. It warms your heart, makes you happy, makes you really want to get up in the morning and have a great day to see that kind of push and it just get absolutely destroyed. As expected, it's going to have really disgusting action. I saw it in pre-market. So BIF, I guess the top watch. Yeah, you did mention that the other day. BIF.
Tops.
Tops. Tops looks gross too. Super spreading. BIF has the best look at this very second. In a heartbeat, it could definitely drop down to 4 though, or 350. Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen that. That type of PR push that hard. What are you on this morning, JD? Probably something I haven't even pulled up today. Just came back in the room with coffee. I did say that's a 2022 candle. See, last year I called it a 2021 candle, but the nightmare continues into 2022. So we'll bring it on over to 2022 candle. I push up, I start to break out, and then absolutely get smashed into lows. That's what we call a 2022 candle. BIIB absolutely getting smacked. So SPY pulling down here. This may bounce from this zone here. This may be the bottom on SPY. We'll see what NNOX is.
NRSN. KULR. BIAF. RPAY.
SPY struggling with this low 363. Yeah, it's pushing down now. It looks disgusting. Wow. I'm honestly surprised considering, you know, we had that positive news and you would think it would push higher, but absolutely not. No such thing as a breakout. BIAF now back under 4.
More. RCMT. CLRB.
All right, there's a little bit of a push back up on SPY. Struggling with this 363. I guess everybody's just trained, you know. We gotta short every day as hard as freaking possible. See if it makes another leg down here. It's definitely trying to. Yep. I hate looking at SPY. I really, absolutely freaking hate even pulling it up.
RDNT. FNGR. NNOX. HEPS. KMPH. ACP. CTXR.
So BIIB continuing to look absolutely disgusting. PRTA looks okay.
KLXE.
ALZN's pushing up. I'm sure that's getting pushed. That's a pumper favorite. ACIU still sitting at 3. LGVN. Oh my god, LGVN just got murdered down to 442.
SLGR, VOXTRX, PMN, SLBR, PPSI, ICAD, NTZ, ABOS, LGBN,
MNMD is trying to have like a little dead cat bounce.
BKKT, AEHLXU, SOBR, BIAF, DNA Plus, SOBR, CTXR, QTRX, CDZI, HROW, BIAUG, QTRX, ALZN, INMB,
Sober.
INFU, NA, HIA, ANTX,
Sober. Let's see. Yep, sober pushing up. You said the market push higher? Yeah, tried to recover here. It moves just so gross all the time, man. BIB, maybe. Maybe this is the curl zone for that one.
BIAF,
With the market trying to curl. Maybe.
PRTK, QTRX, Tops, CIDM, SOB,
PRTA is the strongest one of them all right now. Interestingly enough.
PCQ, SOBR,
That and the old ALZN push. SPY's trying its best to hold right now.
NRT, QTRXM, IGC, BSGM, CGTX, RCMT,
Why is LGBM price action so ugly? There's SPY.
SOBR, Aura, CGTX, BIAF,
Yeah, all we need is a little bit of hope, Andy. I agree. Just a little fuzz of hope is all the market needs to start to recover a little bit. Doesn't mean we're going to go back to freaking 400 in a day, but just a little bit of hope.
DNA Plus,
That's all we need.
GG, ABST, IBR,
Yeah, retire for life, absolutely, because of 400 today.
Airs, ETW,
Nice little push here, though, on SPY.
EVGO, EVGO,
LGVN's trying to curl from the 440s, but it's still very weak today.
IGC, STOK, BYT.
I forgot about IGC. IGC has that Alzheimer's, don't they? Don't they do Alzheimer's? But it's like very like weak. But I'm pretty sure they announced that they've done. Yeah. They use hemp-based something to treat anxiety and enhance the lifestyle of patients suffering from Alzheimer's. So they basically give Alzheimer's patients weed and say, do you feel better now? And they're like, yeah, we feel better now. And then there we go. Absolutely, dude. I feel great. Because I'm high as a kite.
More.
Okay. We've reached the time of the morning where we turn the music back up and we just enjoy the rest of the morning. Focus on the scanner time. It's over. And now we watch what's set up.
SILJ, BIBI. SNPX. CVV. HSTO. INTA.
Avos looks freaking terrible. But it also looks like one of those ones that, you know, later today, I'm like, okay, this thing bounced from literally no man's land, and then it's at freaking $9, $10. Wouldn't surprise me one bit. Because the worst looking charts are the ones that run, the best looking charts are the ones that break down.
MUGT. MCN. BIAF. IAUX. ANBS. RWT.
I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. I'm almost up $300. Nothing crazy. It's about what I lost yesterday, so just kind of erase that back out. I hit tops this morning in Premarket when the news came out. That's actually what I'm up the most on. BIAF trying to push higher. PRTA high of day.
FFNW. LGVN. XTLB.
For real, what is up with LGVN? It made another low of day. Now that's a 10K ask at 450 when Alzheimer is literally the play right now.
CIM.
Doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me.
ANTX. More. GER.
I was trying a little SPY down here, but I didn't hold it. I didn't have enough risk profile, I guess. I had a risk low of day.
EOS. CNCR.
Yeah, Silo, it has potential. I'm just, I can't trade it.
NG. O.
Abos, it's starting. It is starting that no man's land curl right now.
STTK. DNA Plus. Arrow. NEPT. AREC. GOEX.
Wow. That's crazy.
HSTO.
LGBN looks disgusting.
Tops.
Who would have thought PRTA would be the one to go straight up?
THW.
Okay, I'm not even gonna touch LGBN. I'm considering how ugly it's acting right now.
ICL. AREC. CGNT.
BIIB trying its best to curl up a little bit right here.
ANTX. HNSTL.
Struggle busting it near lows, but it's trying.
SILV. DNA Plus.
It did put in a higher low just now, just barely, but it put in a higher low.
TWOB. KLXE. ACIU.
ACIU finally pushing, it looks like. 305, not really pushing. It's up.
MQT. CODX. VCNX. BGFD. BIAF. BFRI.
BIB just doesn't want to curl, huh?
OCG.
PRTA still pushing hard. Interesting. BIAF starting to fade off now. ABOS is still doing that. You know, this could, they could have put in a bottom and it's just higher lowing into infinity. Sober. Don't really like that pattern. ACIU just pushed up on one candle here. Made a few pennies on UVXY. Nice. All right. Lead dog dying off. Under 270 now. I'm not sure why PRTA is still pushing to the freaking moon right now, but it is.
HCWBIAF. Tops. REBN.
Ops back over 3. See if Tops actually breaks through here. No way, right?
Tops.
Oh, it did.
IPX. GLBS.
Is Tops gonna take over and be lead gainer of the day? I should have taken that breakout. I don't trust the breakout anymore. Do not trust the breakout. But it was a nice little setup with the flat top.
TELZ TIAF VCNX
Shippers. Ship hitting. Tops 350. 355. GLBS and interesting. Can we get a shipper theme going today? That'd be crazy.
SGDJ BTRS CGNT TGI
Tops is trying its best to, break through just a little bit here.
SCKT BIAF
Somebody's slapping some ship snacks.
PXS
Top 350, 357.
BTRS QTRX SCBL TGI IBDQ
Man, I should have taken that breakout. It really had a nice, like I said, flat top right here, a couple wicks, and it finally broke through. And this is, the first breakout like this that we've saw in a little while. Kind of push up. Usually it's like a push up 5 cents, drop down 50, trade over here sideways, box it up, just do some crazy nonsense. But today on Tops, it decided to pop. Pushed it to pre-market highs. It's fading off a little bit now. Is it dead? I don't know, but
ABOS
today is a decent day so far. Give us that small cap disconnect, baby. Let's go. Tops, a name you can trust. Absolutely.
BTRS TGI
Does George Economou have tops too? I know he was the Dries guy. I feel like he has tops as well. Shippers used to be the thing, man. That was like, Shipper November was nuts. Now I just want anything. I don't care. Like, I would love if shippers would run. I'd love if anything would run. Bitcoin and weed, whatever. China.
BIAF PXS CLNE
CLNE announces opening of Ohio renewable natural gas station for Amazon and other trucking fleets. Nothing crazy, but
BTRS Appen GORO. TOPS. GDXU. JWEL. SEM. TOPS. NSTG.
Quick little scalp there on tops. Froze my computer up. 353 to 365. Best sell. I'll take it.
Ring.
I'll take it.
BIAF.
Quick scalps. Quick scalps. Because, I mean, we're still in the no such thing as a breakout zone. So, just quick scalps. Kind of hoping it would feel me a little higher in the 370s, but I'll take a quick scalp like that on a breakout. Spy ripping. You know, all we needed for Spy to rip was freaking shippers to go, baby. Come on. Spy through high day. Spy just saw, you know, it saw a top set up like this in this pattern right here, and it's like, I can do that too. I can do it too. And it pushed right through. The tops, I mean, it's just fall, or Spy overall is just following tops today. Just watch that. Your lead dog is tops. And watch Spy off of that, and you're good to go.
ATNX. PRTK.
Tops will save the market. I mean, we all know it. Here's our little ASMR for you guys.
BTRS. BIAF.
Nope, Spy weaker than tops, confirmed. It can't even hold the breakout. See, that's what I expected to happen on tops, but tops is a stronger stock than Spy. It really is. I mean, overall, look at that strength. And this, look at this weak little bitch down here.
LFMD.
Imagine.
FNGR.
Is he talking at his, oh, Bostic, okay. No evidence of dysfunction in Treasury market at this point. Baseline right now, 75 BPS. And 50 basis for November, all right. Increase it, wait, is there not one in October? I just see November and December.
CLNN. CBAY. BTRS.
The Spy pushing towards 380 now. No October, okay. Interesting. They don't want them raising rates into the election, I'm sure. I know that's not the reason, but I'm sure I'm gonna make it the reason.
LED. BIAF.
Who the heck is Drunken Miller? Drunken Miller says cryptocurrency could have a renaissance if people lose trust in the central bank.
BTRS.
Oh, famous investor. Drunken Miller. Never heard of him. Must not be too famous.
GNLN.
Silo. Yeah, you're still hanging around 6. If I hold 6, you got a chance. It's a bio. Man, look at this relative strength. Top stronger than Spy. I love it. Oh, it's already after 10, huh? See, that's what happens when we have a couple movers in the morning. I'm not ready to get off right at 10 because I'm tired of staring at the screen.
REAX, BTRS, Hill.
This is how things used to be. You reverse split your crappy stock, and then you put a good PR out, let it run, offer, let it go under, reverse split, PR, offer, and so on. Then you got unlimited money. It's the unlimited money hack. The shippers used to pull it off all the time. We are definitely slowing down a lot though. 10 o'clock hits and the volume is off. I'm having a great day, so I really may not take another trade. This is my best day in a little while. And it's mainly due to freaking tops, baby.
ABOS.
ABOS, it's doing exactly what I said might happen. Goes down, looks completely murdered on the day. No man's land, what we call it. Death. And then it never makes a new low. Higher low, higher low, higher low, and pushes back up, and it's gonna be at freaking whatever later. Maybe I just need to transition at like 10 o'clock to playing Apex or Call of Duty, since the market pretty much dies at 10 anyways. The volume pretty much turns off by then. So SPY, fake out, breakout, just like a penny stock. Up to 366, down at 363. Absolutely disgusting. So just like it did on yesterday, the push up through 370, we were looking good. 52-week lows. Now 366 push, or through 365, push towards 366. We gonna go to 350 now? I mean, with the way things are going. I feel like every time that there's decent news, the Fed just comes in and says, nope, nope, nope. We want to destroy the market.
CDSC.
Oh my gosh.
NRT. PEPG.
Not really seeing much else. We can chat for a few minutes if you guys want. Don't really see a whole lot. But once again, I appreciate you guys stopping by. You know, thanks for the likes, comment, you know, keeping the chat active. It really helps me when I'm doing this. Because if I was just sitting here talking to myself all day, I would kind of run out of things to talk about, run out of things to look at. But interactive in the chat really helps. Appreciate my members. Love seeing the green names in chat. Yeah, when's the market gonna moon for real? Yes, I played it over Wild Bill. I did play it over the weekend. I actually streamed it for like 45 minutes on Sunday before NFL came on. About time for Tops to offer. You're right. You're all right. Be right on cue, baby. Imagine if they drop one midday and just completely destroy the momentum of the whole day. Wouldn't surprise me. I've seen it before. I think Ship's worse than Tops when it comes to offerings, though. But Tops should offer in the next couple days. Wouldn't surprise me one bit. Yeah, I thought it was fun, Wild Bill. I really did. Thought it was fun. And I don't play as much multiplayer now because I like the Battle Royale aspect. I think that's kind of the way that things have shifted. But yeah, Tops has dropped an F1 on September 22nd. So they're ready. They're ready. They dropped it right here. So yeah, Tops. We're offering $450 per unit. Yeah, okay. Hold on. I gotta skip through this section of the playlist. Don't like the hardcore dubstep. Y'all for a walk, okay? All right. See you, Mike. Appreciate you. Thanks for stopping by. We're just gonna hang out for a little bit. We can talk, we can chat. Nothing's really happening in the market. But yeah, I like COD. I'm looking forward to Warzone 2 to try it out. I wish they would just let people play the beta for a few more weeks. Why, you know, stop it at whatever, you know. Silo fell. Silo's still holding 6 though. Crap, yeah. They're still holding 6. For some reason, I don't have a level 2 on it. I don't know what's wrong, but I do not have a level 2 on Silo.
PRTC. ACON. QTEK. VCNX.
Yeah, it's still, I mean, it's at 641, 642. PXMD recent IPO at a 13G a couple weeks ago, 525 a share. Yeah, I think I remember pulling that up.
QTRX.
Daily's pretty cheap. It is a bio. I had a run a couple days ago, looks like, or maybe yesterday. It looks okay. It doesn't look terrible. In this market, I really don't know what's gonna like swing through and continue, but it doesn't look horrendous right now. Watching Sober. Yeah, you gotta quit swinging them pretty much in this market. It's tough. Nothing really follows through. Sober, it could pull that, you know, bounce from whatever zone underneath the 20 EMA here. Maybe get a VWAP touch.
BTRS. BIAF. SVT. DPSI. FNGR. FNGR.
I was looking for like a chat box overlay for the chat on the side on my cam. I don't want to see one I like. Oh, well.
Tops. BTRS. BIA.
Yeah, look at all that behind. That's funny. Why is the DVD logo on this?
URGN.
That doesn't need to be on there. That should be on there, but not here. Okay, well. Yeah, Sober pushing up towards VWAP here, so you got a nice little 5-6 cent pop there. It's the FNGR. Oh, FNGR really is moving, huh? Finger motion.
SVT.
Sounds revolutionary.
QTEK.
This is resistance zone. Around 150. You never know. Yeah, good job on Sober. Good job.
BTRS.
Nice little pop. You watch on the woman, it was kind of curling right here. That never broke low. So normally, say I would watch this knife down and be trading it right here and say, okay, it's starting to trim back up, and then I would exit right here on this candle because it's a bear flag. But the bear flag just gets bought right back up in 2022, trades sideways again, and then pushes.
SWVL. GTPBW.
Like if you just had
DPSI.
this, I don't even
REBN.
show it. If you just had this showing, this is a bear flag almost perfectly. Big flag down, trade back up, flag down again. This should be under 170, but the next candle push straight back up. Where'd the music go? What the heck? Play the music.
East. BTRS.
Is Powell talk today? I think Powell talks like unrelated to the market today. Let me look. Yeah, it's 10:15. So actually right now, right? Broda, is this US times today? 10:15 Fed Powell speaks. Well, you had a good trade there though, JD. So good job. Yeah, Zach, I think it's at 10:15, but he's talking to like about something like crypto, maybe.
ABOS. BTRS.
...2022 Community Banking Research Conference. It says watch live, but if I go to it, it says that I had to be signed up for the virtual conference, which I'm not interested in even remotely. But he is speaking to some degree today on community banking. So
CES. BIAF, BTRS.
well, guys, looks like the volume's kind of fading off for the day. SPY is trying to push back up and test that 365 level again. Maybe it's a trap, considering it happened yesterday, so that people load in short, watching the fail again and expecting 52-week lows, but it didn't break down. Sober, that was the pop. BIIB, still on a fade.
PEPG.
PRTA still okay strong. LGVN just straight up a disappointment. Just straight up an absolute disappointment.
BTRS. DNA Plus.
Tops, it's trying to flag a little bit on the 5-minute here. Not going crazy right now, but it's trying to flag underneath the 350 level. Market back over 365. So even after this ugly fugly candle here, it went straight down and everybody's thinking, okay, here we go. We're about to go to 350, 52-week lows. And then it just gets bought right back up, and now it's in a trap, like where they're getting squeezed back upward.
ATHA. APRN. PHAS. CIO. CANF. BTRS.
There you go. Big push there on the market. You still in futures, Rhoda? Did you stop out or no?
DNA Plus.
365.50 right now on SPY.
MX.
It went to this level earlier, got completely smashed down to 363, and then pushed right back up. Eye lag on the scanner. We're starting this again.
LGVN. Bigs. BTRS. BOS.
Market is definitely upside down. You got that right. Let's see. Tops, you gonna break out right here or not? Still don't trust it. I saw it break out here, and now it's got a chance of another breakout. I still don't trust it.
BPT. Tops.
55K ass just popped up here at 350.
BIAM.
I do not see. So they're going to protect 350 hard here. And you see, as it comes up and starts testing 349, they just throw an ask in. Throw an ask in as low as possible. Make people scared. Make people sell out. Make too tight of stops hit. They are protecting that 350 big time. I do not see it breaking above here. If it does, we are in some kind of paradigm shift. But market looking okay right now. Let's look at Bitcoin. Where's that at? Bitcoin still 19,188, so nothing crazy. Mara pushing up again. Man, you can just trade Mara every day. Your cost. Well, a lot of the stuff you trade doesn't have news or like a reason to have volume. I'm not saying like what you're trading has no reason to go. There's just not a reason for that stock to be up specifically.
SVT.
Yeah, you were talking about sober.
MTIS.
Is this gonna break up above 350?
MNM.
Mara pushing 1050 right now. Oh yeah. Yeah, I didn't see that today.
FYBR. BFRI.
All right, yeah, the market's slowing way down. Yeah, this time of day sucks. This is when I usually leave for the day. I'm lucky to stay past 11 now. I used to sit here all day. Like, I didn't even have time to eat. Because it would just go through all day. Volume, consistency, breakouts, breakthroughs, charts. Just all day long. Wouldn't even have time to eat. I wouldn't eat till like 4, and I was starving. Just straight up about to pass out. But now, I mean, we got an hour and a half, maybe, after open of volume. All right, Tops, what are you going to do? There's 80K worth of ask here. 75K now. Oh, bid proper, though. So somebody is contesting the large shorts. Ah, weak. Yeah, I mean, that's a good plan. Trade what you're good at. Take a decent size and just roll out for the day. All right, it's 10:30. I think I'm gonna call it. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, we went a little extra this morning. It was fun. Had some good breakouts this morning. Honestly, my best day in a few weeks today. But I think the volume's starting to kind of fade off now. It's all good. Yes, potentially when we come back. Sorry, the outro only has a specific time frame before it switches to this. But yes, I think I will go longer once the market does come back eventually. But you guys have a great day. catch you tomorrow.